How to create AI tools website using ChatGPT. Want to build your own AI tools website powered by ChatGPT? Let's set it up step by step. So first define your purpose. Decide if your site will showcase AI tools, provide tutorials, or let users interact with ChatGPT directly. Choose a platform. Pick a platform. Use no-code builders like WordPress or Webflow for easy setup or frameworks like React for full control. Connect ChatGPT using OpenAI's API. Add features like a chatbot, content generator, or tool recommender. Integrate other AI APIs for images, transcription, or analytics. Create a dashboard where users can access multiple tools. Keep navigation simple. Home, tools, tutorials, pricing. Use clear calls to action like try AI now. Monetize with subscriptions, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Offer premium features for paying users. Add disclaimers about AI limitations, ensure GPDR and local data privacy compliance. And that is how to create an AI tools website using ChatGPT.